In this video, I'm going to show you how to analyze your trade so you stop making the same mistakes that is resulting in you losing money, and you know what you're doing right so you can keep doing that. Anyways, guys, if you've ever heard of analyzing your own trades, it's simply taking the trades that you've already traded, that you sold, that you bought and have already sold, and you look through, okay, what happened? What was I feeling? All the emotions behind it. The long and tedious way of doing this that works is called a trading journal. What you simply do is you take the date, the stock, you bought at price, sold at price, whatever you did, how you were feeling in the moment, what made you feel like that was a good trade, the strategy you picked, all this stuff, and recording this every single time you place a trade. This is going to give you so much valuable information to help you analyze your trades and understand what you're doing right and what you're doing wrong. But if you're someone who's still a beginner, you're like, okay, cool, I can put all this down in the trading journal, but I don't really have time for that. But once I have all that in the journal, how am I supposed to know what I did right and what I did wrong? Well, that's why I put this together for you. If you ever play chess or anything like that, you know that you can analyze your own games. Well, that was built into the software here. This is the Impeccable Stock software, which is a swing trading software built for swing traders to help you get better, show you where what stocks to buy before they break out and where to buy with a trade plan. But for instance, once you have stocks on your watch list and you've inputted all these specific details, like where you bought it, the date you bought it, the number of shares, and any other details about it, for instance, if the trade's still open or closed, then again, you can put all those details in here. And once you have that, it's going to analyze the trade for you. So you simply just click this analyze button and it's going to tell you what you did right. So these are things that you should keep doing, and what you did wrong, things you should stop doing. So anyways, guys, this is how you analyze your trade in seconds. Let's take a losing trade, for example. Let's look at QQQ. If I analyze QQQ here, whoops, not analyze. We want to do a watch list analytics. You can see here it tells me what I did right and what I did wrong. So for instance, what I did right is I bought when the market was trending up, when it was starting to form momentum, so that's good. The S&P 500, the overall market was moving in my favor when I bought it, so that was good. I picked a stock that historically outperforms the market, so I did 3 good things. Now, what did I do wrong? What should I not have done, and what should I not do again? Well, it says this is currently not a profitable trade, but still open, meaning that I have not set my stop loss, right? You can see here, did not set the recommended stop loss because your current return is less than the recommended stop loss, meaning that I am not good at setting stop losses. I let this trade run further than I should have. And so that is an example of someone be like, oh, wow, maybe I need more discipline, or maybe I need to be more on myself about setting a stop loss. Also, this is hugely important, right? Risk to reward was not in your favor, which is super important for long-term success. When I placed this trade, the risk to reward was not in my favor. You want a 1 to 3 risk to reward or better. If you don't have that, you should not be placing the trade. So here are 3 important things I can make sure I check and never do again if I want to stay in this trading game. So anyways, guys, if you want to analyze your position or your trades and get better and learn from them, you can either keep a trading journal, which works for a lot of people, or you can simply click below and join the Impeccable Stock software. Not only will you get alerts to stocks before they break out, but you can actually add stocks to your watch list, add all the details about it, and click this and get instantly analyze what you did right and what you did wrong. All right, guys, if you enjoyed that, click below, join the Impeccable Stock software. I will see you inside. If you still enjoy the video, but you don't want to join the software for some weird reason, you're missing out on a ton of profits, but make sure you smash the subscribe button, so I'll see you in the next video.